Welcome back to Mid-Continent Industries in Newton, Kansas. I'm going to go over a few features and benefits that we've done as far as improvements with this machine. We've already covered the option 2 with lowering height, ceiling height restrictions, safety restrictions. We can do everything from a 4-foot height without fall protection. Any kind of maintenance that needs to be done, we can do it right here. Don't have to climb a ladder. Learning experience. Not had any accidents, but thank goodness. But we've taken into consideration some of those things, so I'll just go over a few of the features that we've done. We'll start right here with this collection box sample divider part. Those of you that own machines will pretty much know what I'm talking about. Those of you that don't, it's some cool features that we've done. Little things, but they're important items that make this thing work real well. With this being mounted up on top of the machine, again, you had to climb a ladder. Well, to work on it, we also had this linear actuator that actually opens this door. It was directly connected to the door. Now it's not. So you can operate this collection box similar to what you would a regular collection box. You know, if you need to tap on it at points of time, depending on, you know, maybe a screen gets plugged or something inside, wet grain, what have you, you can do this. It's right here. You can tap on the side just like you would on your regular collection box. It is a little higher than what your collection box would be, but I've been to several facilities and it's not that much higher than some I've seen. So basically that's one feature with that on that actuator hooked to the door. Also, with this down, we have safety in mind as well. We have covers on the rotating shaft. We also have guards. This is an air intake, so these can be removed if you have a major problem with, like I said, wet grain is not really a good thing. Those of you that have done any of this, even with a regular truck probe and not having an MCI auto kicker, you'll have a problem with that from time to time with the water. So this is all can be taken off readily. We can also take out the bottom screens down here to clean the pipes if these plug with water. They have not been having much issues with this, but there is always as you know, and always a time. But basically that's kind of the rundown of this improvement here. Also, I probably didn't cover in the other videos, we have a way on this to bypass this whole system so that we do not hold up your truck probe operation. There is basically a switch that you can turn. The operator can just flip the switch. This will go into bypass mode to where this divider will come and all of the sample will come over here to this side, right to your file sample. It will not run anything. It will not run the vacuums. All it will do is open this door. I'll demonstrate that for you right now. Now you notice a little bit of run there. What that did was, again, put this sample divider to all come out to this side. So if I now push the button, you'll notice the door opens up. All the sample will just fall straight down into your file sample where you can take it then. You can run your devices with pushing the buttons on those. You can, you'll exit the program. You'll run these devices manually. You'll handshake the sample just like you would normally do before you got an auto kicker. So we tried to accommodate for that. Nice little feature on that. It's always been a part of the machine. Also, what's cool about this is you can dump a sample in up here while this is running. You just simply push the button. You know, obviously have it in automatic, but you push the button, you can dump a sample in here. It will drop down and divide just like if you had the truck probe. So kind of a two-fold deal. If your truck probe breaks down, you know, either sample at the pit, you hand probe, you know, what have you. You bring the sample in, push the button, dump it in here, run your sample just like normal, and so like I said, two-way street there. So we're not trying to hold up the show. We're also allowing you to do some things with this, even though your truck probe may have failed, broke a hydraulic line, what have you. So basically that's a part of that. And I'll go over the other features in the next little clip.